Hey everybody, this is DJ Carco 228. I'm gonna do a bike check of my BMX bike. It's pretty much a complete, but you know, whatever. There's not too many on YouTube, so bam, there it is. This, my friends, is a 2008 Kink Apex. It's got a full heat-treated Kink Badger bars. It's the whatever Kink stem, I don't know, just some proprietary OEM part, whatever, no big deal. Odyssey classic race forks, like pretty much, I guess, just they're the CS1s pretty much instead of the CS2s. Front tires are kind of covert. It's pretty cool, actually. It's like a Eastern Curb Monkey. Sun Rhino Light XL rim. They say it's an unsealed hub. I don't know. It looks pretty damn sealed to me. Kind of. I mean, yeah, the bolts aren't. They could, whatever. Blah blah. Moving to the rear, you got the Kink Kevlar pivotal seat. It's pretty sweet. Actually, got some cushion. I want to get a bigger one. Doesn't matter at the moment. Pivotal post. Kink seat clamp. Tend to contact the rear tire. Sun City light rim. These rims actually hold up pretty well. I'm pretty surprised. Fully sealed hub. This is a stolen interlock V2 chain. Just the Kink Sound sprocket. This color is awesome. I love this bronze. It's just sweet. 48 spline cranks. 75mm stock, obviously. Everything else. Sealed Eastern magnesium pedals. These are some nice pedals. I like them. Pretty much, you can see I've been rawed the frame. There's some rust. Then do some whatever job to it. So I've been buffing it off. Some stuff. That's pretty much it. Everybody always asks, everybody's always curious. Everybody always wants to know what the hub sounds like. So this buddy's completely stock. Bring it up to here. I'll just do one swing. Hub's pretty loud. Yeah. Pretty much that's it. Light bike, 32 pounds. Pretty much it. Alright. DJ Carco 228, 2008, Kink Apex. There it is.